warm greetings to you all. Welcome to MVN University. I am here to introduce you about the certificate course in marketing management. So first of all, what is marketing? Most often we all get confused between the term marketing and selling. But selling is just a minute part of marketing. Marketing is a rich, wider scope, such as it performs the function of exchange, it performs the function of physical supply and facilitation. Various examples like product development, your standardization, grading, branding, promoting. These are the functions of marketing. So we can't limit its factor. Nowadays, there is a large scope, there is a large job area for new freshers in this field. In each and every company, whether it's a banking company, whether it's a retail company, each of the company is needing a new face. Recently, banking sector has improved their requirement and maintained a degree, maintained a qualification of marketers like relationship manager. They're recruiting people for relationship manager. This is a post of marketing students. So my basic motive to introduce about this course is to make you clear about the concept. This course will make you aware about the marketing concept. It will take you with the various points, concepts of marketing. What are the reasons why companies fail in the market? What are the reasons they have taken their steps in global market? Various examples are like Kellogg's. Kellogg's entered in the market, in Indian market, and earlier it failed. It failed to locate the market in India. But what was the reason? You will study in this course. You will get to know. Marketing research is a term in this course. You will get to know before doing any kind of starting any kind of project. You need to do marketing research, primary, secondary, and all. There is a term known as product life cycle. PLC, like a child is born, similar case, PLC, product has also a life, it is also a motor, it also goes through different stages, introduction, then growth, maturity and decline. So you will be studying all these techniques. Then finally, there are new concepts included in this marketing concept, marketing certificate. New concepts like green marketing. Now, most of the companies are also, they are taking care of our environment because ultimately they are earning from this environment. There is a new concept of social network marketing, green marketing. So what is this? Based on the case study based, you will be coming to know, you will be learning various phases of this marketing, and this is definitely going to help you out in making your career in various fields, insurance, banking, retail. These are the favorable fields in which you can make your career, and the subject will definitely help you out to clear the basic concepts of this marketing. Thank you all.